Hey y'all, it's Mary, and it's day 5 of our advent calendars. And let's start with the Macy's calendar. Let's see where day 5 is on this. I don't know where the boys are at the moment. Okay, here's day 5 right here. And you poke it in and open it up. Oh, and that fell right out, so that was easy. All right, let's see what that is. Oh, that's great. This is a Tony Moly product. This is the Pumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. This is a very nice eye cream. I've had it before. I'm sure y'all have seen it. It comes a lot in Ipsy. Ipsy's little glam bag. And some, you know, it's a deluxe sample. So it's a very, very nice eye cream. And I'm pretty sure it's sealed. It's sealed. So that is very nice. So thank you so much. The Macy's box I got from CC Straw Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. I'm going to mention that every day so y'all know. And then I also have a chocolate calendar from Aldi's. And day 5 is, you know, y'all, I haven't been eating these. I've been putting them aside because they're so rich. Here it is. Day 5 is way up here. I heard Smudge, so I was hoping he'd come over. Oh, that's very, very pretty. It's a pretty one, and it is a cappuccino truffle. So I think I'm going to love that, but I've been putting them in a little dish over here because too much candy this season. Anyway, that can go here. And then I have the cat calendar. Smudge, are you coming by? Let's see. Here's the cat calendar. It's super cute, y'all. Super cute. This I got from PetSmart, and it was $16.99. And the boys have liked it. There's been a couple things in here that the very first day that they didn't care for. Where is day number 5? This is one. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Okay, day 5 is up here. And sometimes when I pop it, the door will actually come out, and sometimes it'll stay. You're supposed to push it in, and then sort of it has this thing to pull out. And here is another one of these. So this is nice. They did have this. Another day of a ball. I think it was just all green. This one's nice, green and red. Here comes Smudge. So that's my advent calendars for today. If you are playing the treasure hunt, keep a watch for that. Ooh, here comes Smudge, but he's falling on something. Come on, Smudge. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. I'm going to see if Smudge likes this. You like that, Smudge? Blue has not been interested. Blue plays with things later, but he's not come up while I've been doing these. You like that, Smudge? That's cute. That's a cute one. Okay. He's sort of interested in it a little bit. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and watching the advent calendars, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.